Okay. Am I audible clearly, everyone? Apologies for the trouble there. Audible clearly? Okay. Now, thank you so much, sir. Let's begin with the session. In the session today, I think the second and the third shift had got some mixed points. A few of you said it was good. A few of you said it wasn't. Done, sir. Thank you so much. Please share the session among your peers, everyone. Along with this, please let me know about your score. How did the examination go? If you cleared the examination, what was your score? If you couldn't, then what was the point where you feel that you couldn't perform well in the examination? Because I don't look at it. There are many bankers who feel that if you have scored less than 50, then you are fail. It's not that. If you are scoring more than 45, and going for all the examinations together, then you are passed, but you just have to score total of 200. If you are giving examination individually, then you need to score 50. Okay? Then you need to score 50 in any case. If you have scored more than 15 in examination only, then you clear that exam. Now comes the next point in the examination. Depreciation is there. Journal entries are there. What else is there? Acha, next, what do we have? The kind of questions that were asked in the examination. I could see depreciation. I could see questions related to capital structure. Let's discuss the questions there. Conceptual questions were there. Very good, sir. Congratulations. Now, let's talk about cost was there. Bills of exchange were there. Then, the question was there on capital structure. After capital structure, the next thing that I could see was revenue expenditure. There were questions on forward points as well. Congratulations, Shreya ma'am. What was the score, ma'am? Break-even point asked in all the examinations. Please share the session, everyone. Then there were questions from the area of compound interest was also asked. Okay. In the morning, there was SI, and I told within the class itself that there might be a question of CI in the next session. Congratulations. Ma'am, which shift? Compound interest was there. Okay. Then there was a question on revenue expenditure. Which revenue expenditure is done. Deferred revenue expenditure was also asked. Okay. Deferred revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure was also there. I believe there might be one particular question on which this kind of question has been asked. We have done all these things in our marathon only. 2 p.m. Ma'am, was this particular shift tough? Because I think I heard it from many bankers that the second shift was very tough. Concepts of accounting. Journal entry was asked. Concepts of accounting. What next was there, everyone? NPA. NPA is something that we did just yesterday. If you have been a part of my regular classes, I've just discussed the NPA. AS was also there. I think in the AS area, I've heard that there were questions from leasing, there were questions from contract costing, and there were questions from fund flow and cash flow. When we talk about these are not a part of AS, they are separate chapters altogether. So yes, we had questions from lease, we had questions from contract costing, Was there any question on audit, everyone? Depreciation was there. Okay. I think depreciation I've written in the very beginning there. What else is there in the examination? AS is done. Match the concepts. Achha. Match the following for the concepts was there. Next, numerical on IRR was asked. Normally IRR is not asked much. ARR was also there, I heard. Accounting rate of return was also there. Audit was also there, na? Audit, what kind of audits was asked in the examination? I have heard there was a question of LFAR as well. Long form audit report. Everybody else, please share the session among your peers. NPA, standard, substandard. I think I've just discussed it in the last class yesterday. The last class, the last paid class that I took yesterday for the revision, we discussed it. Then bills of exchange. Bills of exchange was asked in terms of the due date. Bills of exchange due date was asked. Lease financing has been asked there. What kind of question was asked from lease financing? What I have heard, there was a question on wet lease. Congratulations for clearing the examination, everyone. Please share your marks with me. Please let me know whatever you have scored in the examination. LERMS was asked. Information system audit. Okay, IS audit is something that I've just heard. Concurrent audit was asked. I know about that. Revenue audit was also asked. Concurrent audit. Revenue audit. Next, what was asked? 71. Congratulations, sir. That's a really good score. Okay, real asset. Assets. Everybody else, Sanjeet sir, congratulations, 57. Break-even point, asked almost in every area, I believe. Break-even point was asked in the first shift. Then we discussed in the first shift about it. Then it was asked in the second shift as well. So what about the third there? Everybody, please share the session. Let's keep up the spirit for the moment. Beta, that one beta, some, acha, that was CAPM, ma'am. That was CAPM. Capital Asset Pricing Model. Beta is the multiplier. Beta is that particular gossip monger. Ki acha, something is happening outside. How do we multiply it and to what extent? There was a question on back office. Back office was asked in the first shift as well. Go ahead and share the session, please. What else was asked in the examination? And let me know about the score, please. There were break-even point 2 questions. Break-even point has been asked back to back. I think in the terms of depreciation, they had asked a case study. So there were 3 questions all in all about this. Ratios was asked, everyone. In the second and third shift, was ratios asked? What about ratios? What was asked in terms of ratios? Depreciation, SLM. Okay. In terms of depreciation, SLM was asked. I think I heard about units of production method as well. Units of production. It was also asked. CI. Okay, CI. In terms of compound interest, I've just heard. I think I was having a word in the bilingual section as well. They said they had questions from simple interest. Compound interest I've heard for the first time there. That is good. In which particular shift was it asked, ma'am? Asked, sir? No ratios in the second shift. Dhirendra sir, what was your score? Shreya ma'am, your score. Gaurav sir, please let me know your score, everyone. Whosoever is joining in, I request you, please let me know about your score as well. In the third shift. Okay. No questions on annuities. No questions on annuities. Okay. And in terms of ratio, one question in third shift. What kind of question was asked in terms of ratios? Question about limited liability partnership. Yes, there was a question on LLP. I've heard about it. LLPs are a specific kind of companies. Go ahead and let me know about the question, sir. YTM was asked in the third shift. Okay. YTM was there in the first shift as well. I don't know about the second shift. Anybody from the second shift? Was YTM there? Okay, Shreya ma'am, you're also from the third shift now. Then it was asked in terms of conceptual questions. Okay. Rest, everybody else? No ratios till the second shift. Then CR ratio was asked. Okay. In the third shift, CR was asked. Current ratio was asked. Sweat equity shares. Khoon pasina. The person who is working very hard for the organization. So that particular employee gets sweat equity. Sweat equity is given at a lower amount. Then this is one of the shares which can be issued at a discount. Others cannot be. Then, okay, business entities classified on the basis of. Okay, there was a question relating to the business entity. Everybody who is joining in, please let me know about your score as well. ZBB was there. Zero-based budgeting. It was there in the first shift as well. Coupon bond. Okay. Zero coupon bond. Was there a question on plain vanilla bonds as well? Retail भी दे रहा हूँ. Okay, it's my first attempt. Sir, अगर आपने देखिए, if you have cleared AFM by more than 50, then AFM is done. PPB में fail हो गए तो basically ना मतलब there is nothing called failure in this examinations. It's just that in one particular attempt, if it is not clear, you can go with it. Basically what happens is, if you are scoring less than 45 now, then you have to give the examination again. Now the total thing will not apply. Only one specific paper is clear from your side, that is AFM. Rest you might have to give again, IE and PPB again. Now, if you clear RBWM in this attempt by more than 50 marks, then AFM and RBWM is over for you. You might have to give IE and PPB again. You don't have to go for 60 plus, 50 plus would do. Don't worry. Oh, Uma ma'am. Okay. Nahin. Prasad sir. I think you might have to give the examination again. Congratulations, Shreya ma'am. Everybody else? Prashant sir, what was your score? Amount of provision for NPA. NPA was asked. Okay. Rest, what was asked? I've heard about plain vanilla bond. Everyone? Plain vanilla bond. Okay. Adding one more. There was a question on, we have just discussed about plain vanilla bond yesterday only. Let's see what are the questions that I get. Bills of exchange, 4 questions. Sahil sir, I got your message. You've got 71. Congratulations for that. Sanjeet sir, you have also messaged on the Telegram as well. I think you have scored. There was a question on cost accounting. What kind of question was that? Costing. Variable costing was there? Standard costing? Liquid ratio. Liquid ratio is also called acid test ratio. It is also called acid test ratio or quick ratio. Units of production method. Okay. Units of production method. Poonam ma'am, congratulations. Prashant sir, income exempted from income tax. Exempted incomes are given in the book. They are covered under section 10. That is section 10 of Income Tax Act. I hope the question was from that area. Exempted incomes are starting from this area only. What next? Variable costing, standard costing? Standard and variable costing. What kind of question was asked from there? Thank you. Then comes, there was a question on LP programming. Basically, linear programming was there from the management area. So where do we specify things? Graphical, statistical, that was there. LP, AS10, AS10 is property, plant and equipment. AS10. And more questions, everyone? Budgeting. What kind of question was there on budgeting other than ZBB? GST applies on which type of transaction? Loan processing fee, credit card, GST application based question was there. GST applicability. Rest, everyone? Levy and charge of income tax. Okay. Alok sir, your score please. Income tax, capital expenditure, methods of depreciation. Acha, methods of depreciation was there specifically in terms of AS10. Depreciation is there in terms of module A as a separate chapter. So I won't say this is a question from AS10. This is actually from the depreciation chapter altogether. Then capital budgeting, levy and charge. Any other specific question? Congratulations, sir. Alok sir, okay. So which shift were you in? Interest income. Anybody who is basically looking forward towards the JIB classes who could not clear the examination this time, then you can definitely take up. If you are a part of Mahapack and you can just check your validity for the particular Mahapack and you don't have to pay again, right? So if there's a validity there, you can continue with the classes. If there is no validity left, then just increase the validity. It covers everything. You don't have to buy the classes again. Everything is covered there. And anybody who has cleared the examination, you can go ahead with the CIB. The CIB batches are just about to start. AS1 was there. Full disclosure. IRR was there. We have just written there. IRR, ARR. Poonam ma'am, you have just told me about the score as well now. Jay Kumar sir, congratulations. Uma sir, in case you need any kind of help there regarding the classes and all, please just let us know. Shailendra sir, concepts and conventions was there. So, in terms of concepts and conventions, what kind of question was asked from here? Concepts and conventions. And let me know about the score as well, everyone, whosoever is joining in. PPB is left before. Okay, Sanjeet sir. Nahin, yes sir. The RBW last examination is RBWM. Our RBWM revision batch is also starting. No problem, sir. I got the point. RBWM revision batches are just about to start. What you can do is you can join in. Okay, all the ratios are done. PV ratio was done. I did the PV ratio with you. And then the second is break-even point. This is also a very important point. We did it in the classes itself. Be it in the classes, be it in the sessions. We have talked about it. Santosh sir, your score, please. And Mona ma'am, congratulations. Forward contract. Forward contract formulas we had just in that in the morning even. I did it. Yes, sir. Ma'am, the Mahapacks batches are there in the area. If you are already a banker who has taken up the Mahapacks now, then you don't have to buy it again. Rest, for the people who have taken the Sankalp batches or any other batches, for them, you can look forward towards the Mahapacks batch. And what you can do is you can check out with the support whether it is available with you or you have to do something for that. For every banker who has already taken any of our courses, you can review the particular batch in your account first. Is it available, or you need to look forward to it? Always check your account before buying any other course there. Because if you are an aspirant who has already taken the bank Mahapacks, Mahapacks covers all these areas all together. Equation of CI, quarterly basis. Sir, your score, please. Penal appropriation asked. Penal appropriation is basically an account which is prepared for partnerships. So I would love to know the kind of question that was asked in penal appropriation. Santosh sir, congratulations. Shreya ma'am, you just have to check forward. You have to just go through the courses that are given there. There are many courses that we have covered there. I think for the English medium, I might have to check how many of them are there. At our venue, scores weren't displaced. Okay, sir, you might have to check it out. Vivek sir, kindly, I'll just... Vivek sir, kindly let me know. You can join up my Telegram channel. I'll be answering all these questions there. The process and everything now. Because normally this doesn't happen. 46. Okay. So then you might have, if you are cleared with this examination, but just make sure in aggregate you are going correct. And if you have given all the papers in this attempt only, then it would be considered. Done, everyone? Okay, just let me share the particular details as well. Just a moment. चलिए, let me show you the website as well. Thank you so much. Let me know your scores as well, everyone. Journal entry was for 7 to 8 marks. Sir, if the scores weren't displayed at all, I don't, that is the problem with the particular, I would say the place only. Thank you so much, sir. Then there was some issue with that particular area altogether. Acha, everyone, you can look forward towards RBWM courses as well, and the CIB batches are also starting. So what you can do is you can go on to our website and go on to the area of JIB and CIB. Everybody who's going to give the examination in terms of the JIIB, what you can do is you can look forward towards the everybody who has a JIB Mahapack. Just check your validity. You don't have to buy the same Mahapack again. What you need to do is in the Mahapack, just check your validity. Based upon that, if you're giving the examination again, then you can do it from here itself. If anybody is looking forward towards RBWM, then for that you need to go towards the area of JIB October 2023. If anybody is looking forward towards JIB Power Pack batch, the Power Pack batch is available here. RBWM for English medium as well as bilingual, both are available here. Let me know the scores as well, everyone. So in this case, if you go on to this area, the English medium batches here, the Parpack batch would be taken up by Vishal sir, right? The classes would be taken up. You can click on the area of buy now. It would be for 2499 only. So you can purchase this particular course there, and you can use the code NAV80, Navratra 80. So then you just have to click on that. It is available for 499. You can take up this specific course altogether. Then other than this particular area, what you can do is, this is for the Parpack JIB batch. Then the Mahapack is also available. Who is looking forward towards this, the next year's JIB sessions. CIB is also starting, everyone, after the completion of RBWM. If anybody is looking forward towards CIB or already cleared with JIB altogether, and now you will be looking forward towards CIB. Our CIB Sankalp batches are also starting from November 8th for the bilingual as well as English medium. So what you can do is you can check out our batches, whatever the batches are starting, and what you can do for that right now. You can use the code NAV80, that would be for 7367.40, that is for 6 months validity, doubled, that will be available for 12 months, and then this one is for 3 months, and then last one is for 2 years. You buy it for 12 months and it is available for the area of 2 years. So if you're looking forward to it, please let me know. This is your entire batches that we are covering up right now. If in case you wanted to know further about it, and if you have any issues regarding the examination there, that in case you were not able to clear this examination this time, then please let me know about the same. You can write it in the Telegram area. Let me know about the problem that you were looking forward to, if you, in case you are looking forward towards any kind of mentorship, guidance, and what can be done and what kind of courses are available with us. So we'll be letting you know about the same as well. And all the best for RBWM. RBWM courses would be starting soon. That means the Parpack batch is here. So if you are preparing for it, you have got ample of time for RBWM. So utilize this time properly and wisely so that you get good marks in the exam, right? So kindly go ahead and check it out on our website or in our app for further details. Sir, PPB is a problem there. Since you have scored less than 45 in PPB, then you should go for RBWM. You never know, in case you can clear up the RBWM if that is a stronger area, because due to PPB, your aggregate portion will not be applicable. Everyone, just to become clear about the fact, in your examination, if you are giving all the 4 exams together, if you are giving 4 exams together, then you have to score more than 45 marks individually and total 200 marks. Okay? Total 200 marks has to be scored. And if you are giving individual exams, you are not giving all the exams together, then you have to score individual, just one exam at a time, then score more than 50. This is applicable only if you're giving one specific examination. Akashdeep sir, if you feel that your RBWM is good, then go ahead with RBWM. But this particular clause of 4 exams will not apply. Any specific doubt, everyone? Any specific thing that you would like to ask? As such, most of the questions were discussed in the specific session that we did yesterday. Plus, in the important question session, we had taken a lot of questions there. We talked about a lot of topics, and many of those topics were there in the examination. So I can say that there were many things that were asked directly from our anticipations. So what you can do is you can check out our website or our app for further details if you're looking forward towards buying any of these courses, or you want to know about these courses. So go ahead and check it out. Download the app right now, and the RBWM course is just about to start, so you can check it out on our store and purchase it right away. Go ahead and attend it properly. You have got ample of time. Clear your RBWM and let's meet up in CIB as well. We'll be waiting for you in the CIB section, so let's meet up there as well. So all the very best for your last examination. This particular year was definitely something which I can say that was a little tough on the side of the examinations, because new syllabus, new trends are coming up. But the point is acceptance and growth. These two things are required when it comes to the examination point of view. So let's prepare well. RBWM for RBWM, all the best, and congratulations for clearing this examination. Anybody who felt that they could not make it, so what I can say is be prepared. The next examination is there. Next opportunity is there in front of you. If you couldn't make it this time, you still have time. You still can clear it. You just have to leave the particular negativity and come up with the positive enthusiasm that this particular attempt, the next one, is going to be the last one. So make sure that you are putting your best foot forward towards these examinations. The motivation here is definitely going to help you a lot in your life, because ultimately if I feel that I can do it, only then I can do it, right? So go ahead and explore your mental abilities. Keep on learning, keep on growing. These growth opportunities would come when we have an open mind towards it. Thank you so much. The marathon went successful just because of you. I hope it helps all the other bankers who will be giving the upcoming examinations as well. So thank you. I'll be meeting you in the next session of JIB as well as CIB. All those people who would be looking forward to these courses, let's meet up in the respective courses. And don't forget to join the RBWM. Thank you, everyone. Bye-bye.